First vav cal infinitive construct. Okay, we've looked at the first vav cal imperfect, we've looked at the first vav cal imperative, and now the infinitive construct. And these are really quite easy because, like the imperatives, they are similar to the first nun. Remember, we just went through that if you are going sequentially through these modules. We said these here, the imperatives, are like nagash, shortened form. In the infinitive construct, they also have a shortened form. So there's a similarity between first nun and first vav in the cal. So here we have the nun drops, or not the nun, the vav in this case. In the case of nagash, it was nun. The nun dropped of nagash, you added the strengthening tav, you had the segelet-like pointing with an accent shift and two segels. If it had a guttural, then you'd have two patachs, just like those segelet nouns. So the same behavior that we saw with first nun. And in fact, this here is indistinguishable from first nun. Exactly the same. So, what was I saying here? Shortened form. Original first vav is absent, like in the rest of cal. Strengthened with the tav. And you have segelet-like vowels and stress. If it's third guttural, you get two patachs. Otherwise, you get two segels. The other thing is if you add a suffix, you get a closed syllable, just like first nun. I talked about pronominal suffixes with infinitive construct on first nun. Yes, I have one here to show you. So here's shevet. Well, let's take a look at this. Geshet. Remember, I said what happens when you put an infinitive construct, a pronominal suffix on infinitive construct, is you get a closed syllable at the beginning. Here you have ge, it's an open syllable, one consonant, one vowel. Here you have gish, closed syllable. So CVC, and then you add this pronominal suffix. So geshet becomes gishti. Same thing with first vav. Shevet becomes shivti. Okay, no big deal. And if it is one of these with a guttural at the end, da'at becomes dati. So again, like the imperative, let me go back to this screen. Like the imperative, the infinitive construct is similar to, in fact, in case of infinitive construct, it's actually exactly the same as what you get with nagash in the first nun. So first nun and first vav have this similarity in both the imperative and the infinitive construct.